Imagine transforming a single smart investment into a life-changing opportunity. In today's video, I'm uncovering 5 hidden gem stocks that Wall Street rarely talks about. Yet these could hold the secret to building substantial long-term wealth for early investors. Stick around because these companies might just be the next big success stories waiting to be discovered. Welcome back, everyone. If your goal is to build lasting wealth through the stock market, you already know that success isn't about chasing the latest hype. It's about discovering those hidden gems before the world takes notice. Today, I'm challenging myself to reveal 5 hidden gem stocks that could deliver remarkable long-term gains for patient investors. When it comes to growing wealth, experienced investors understand that success doesn't come from picking random stocks. Instead, it's about spotting companies with the potential to expand dramatically over time. These businesses often fly under the radar of mainstream analysts, yet demonstrate solid fundamentals and a bright future. Finding them early can pave the way for significant long-term rewards. These hidden gem stocks exist across multiple industries and sectors, often sharing key traits like innovative business models, strong competitive advantages, and rising market demand. While they may not be household names yet, they have the potential to disrupt industries and create massive value for shareholders as they scale. The foundation for success lies in thorough research and careful analysis. By studying a company's financials, leadership quality, and market trends, you gain valuable insights into its growth potential. A long-term perspective is equally critical, since these investments often require patience and the willingness to hold through market ups and downs. Many investors face challenges when searching for reliable information, often relying on rumors or unverified tips. This can lead to costly mistakes. Others fall into the trap of buying hyped-up stocks at their peak, only to watch prices collapse soon after. Traditional investment wisdom emphasizes diversification to spread risk, but this approach sometimes limits potential returns. Concentrating on a few high-conviction opportunities can yield bigger rewards, but it demands a deep understanding of the businesses and industries involved. The reality is, the stock market can be unpredictable. Economic downturns, regulatory shifts, or global events can all impact stock performance. Staying informed and adjusting your strategy when needed is crucial for navigating these uncertainties. Investing in individual companies also brings company-specific risks, such as leadership failures or financial mismanagement. The best way to reduce these risks is through consistent research and staying on top of market and company developments. Another major challenge for investors is separating meaningful insights from market noise. With information flowing from all directions, it takes discipline to focus only on what truly matters for long-term success. To find genuine hidden gems, you must think critically and look beyond the obvious choices. This involves exploring emerging industries, disruptive technologies, and underappreciated trends that others might be overlooking. Let's dive into our first hidden gem. Company A tech innovator, developing a breakthrough material with multiple real-world applications. Backed by a strong leadership team and growing market demand, this company could reshape its entire industry while rewarding early investors. Next, we have Company B, a healthcare leader making remarkable progress in personalized medicine. Its unique business model and competitive advantage position it for sustained long-term growth as healthcare shifts toward tailored treatments. Then comes Company C, a pioneer in renewable energy solutions. With a world increasingly focused on sustainability, this company's innovative technologies and strong leadership team put it in the spotlight for potential large-scale impact. Company D enters the list as a fintech disruptor with a cutting-edge mobile payments platform. Its competitive edge and rising adoption rates create an exciting opportunity in the fast-growing digital finance sector. Finally, we have Company E, a biotech firm leading the way in gene editing technology. Armed with a strong patent portfolio and visionary leadership, it holds the potential to transform the biotech industry and deliver exceptional returns to investors. While each company has its own strengths and challenges, they share a common thread: the ability to deliver long-term shareholder value through innovation, market growth, and competitive advantages. The next step involves diving deeper into each company's financials, leadership, and industry outlook to fully understand their growth prospects and potential risks. Among these 5, Company E stands out the most. Its revolutionary gene editing platform, combined with strategic leadership and rising industry demand, positions it to become a dominant force in the biotech space. What truly sets Company E apart is its sustainable competitive edge. With a robust patent library and growing market applications, it's strategically positioned to maintain its lead and expand further over the coming years. The growth potential here is enormous, especially with projections estimating the gene editing market could hit $10 billion by 2025. This firm, its ability to capitalize on that growth trajectory makes it an especially compelling choice. Moreover, Company E isn't just about growth, it also offers a solid dividend yield, appealing to investors seeking both long-term appreciation and consistent income streams. To recap, the 5 hidden gem stocks we explored today are Company A, Company B, Company C, Company D, and Company E. Each carries the potential to deliver significant long-term value when backed by thorough research and strategic investing. By exploring these companies, investors can position themselves for higher returns and lasting wealth creation. Staying informed and conducting deep analysis remains essential, but the opportunities here are genuinely exciting. The ultimate lesson is this: investing in hidden gems takes patience, research, and critical thinking. Applying these principles, you can uncover tomorrow's leaders before they hit the mainstream spotlight. If you have your own hidden gem picks or insights, share them in the comments below. And don't forget to check out our previous video on stock market trends for more expert analysis and strategies.